Make sure to stand till the end. If you don't do something right, you will break your tail light or you will damage the paint on your vehicle. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500 generation from year 2008 to currently year 2022. If you guys need to replace tail light bulb, okay, the tail light when you turn the lights on, you actually have two of those. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. You will need to remove the tail light in order to replace the bulbs, and if you don't do something right, you will damage your paint and you can break your tail light easily as well. So make sure to stand to the end, we'll explain how we can safely do that. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, bulbs, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. This is the Fiat 500 Abarth we'll be demonstrating on, but even if you have non-Abarth version, it will be about the same procedure as well. What you need to do now, okay, we're going to demonstrate on the right side. Left side is practically identical. So we're going to open the trunk, okay, and once you open it, you will notice on the tail light you will have two screws right here with a 10mm, two bolts by the way, with 10mm socket. And when you remove those now, some people will pull to the side and you can damage your paint here, you can crack your light. You will have actually plastic rubber guides that you need to grab and pull straight out without twisting, guys. Don't twist because you damage the paint. Okay, one came out, I see it, let me show you. It's that thing right there, there is one more on the bottom. Okay, we're talking about this two right here, and sometimes they can be really stuck if you have dust and dirt stuck in it. In order to remove the tail light now, you can see right here that connector. Okay, let's push it in first, and we'll need to get a small screwdriver to actually pry this one up because it's pretty tight. So we can get a small plastic panel prying tool. Okay, I pry the thing up, don't pry too much because it will break. Okay, it is loose, but it's stuck because of the seal that prevents water and dust to get in the wires. I'm talking about that seal right here that you need to clean later, and the tail light came out just like that. So this is the tail light, guys, and if you see, okay, the tail light bulbs are actually right here. You have two bulbs on each side. How do you get to them? You need to remove now these screws. That's why we needed to remove the tail light. 4 screws that we need to remove. Let's go ahead, do that. It's with a Torx 25, I believe. Let me see, 20 to the Torx 20. Start looking a bit like this one. That's a 20, yep. So we'll do that. And you have a seal here that you need to make sure that it's clean and it doesn't have any dust later when you install it, so moisture and humidity doesn't get in. Okay, it may be stuck. Okay, clean it good, install it on the tail light assembly later. And well, that was like illusion, guys. Okay, that's illusion. It's only one light bulb, but I can see the turn signal light bulb on the other side. So we have one tail light bulb, okay? Only one, and we're talking about that tail light bulb right here. How do you guys remove it? You push down, careful not to break in your hands, use gloves, turn about 30 degrees, pull it out. This is your tail light bulb right here. Stop light, tail light bulb, that's how you remove it. If you need to buy one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get one from. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.